Hello, welcome back to the Retro Bike Shed. And this is part 2 of the 1997 Marin Muirwoods build. In part 1, obviously we had a good look at the bike. Stripped it all down, cleaned it all up, cleaned all the components up. They're all looking good and tasty. And now in this video, it's time to whack it all back together. This bike is totally original, 100% catalogue spec. It's had very little use. It's been dry stored since 1998, 1999 if I remember rightly. But yeah, other than that, absolutely spanking bike. Still got all the original stickers on the frame and on the fork. So yeah, fantastic bike. Lucky to come across this one. But anyway, we've given it all a polish up and a clean up, and yeah, everything's lovely. Come up really well. So let's get her rebuilt. Oh, obviously in part 1 I broke the top cap trying to get it out, which is a bit of a shame, but I managed to find on eBay a new one. So lucky with that. They're not easy to find. So if you're taking these Diatech headsets apart, just be warned that they no longer make them, and they're not easy to find. I was just lucky. So, but anyway, right, let's crack on. Get this beauty back up and running. Catch you in a bit. Well, there it is, guys. 1997 Marin Muirwoods. Totally original, totally catalogue spec, exactly how you would have bought it from the shop. Chuffed with that. A few more marks around it than I first thought. Now I've cleaned it up, I can see them all. But yeah, still a really, really respectable example. You will notice I've taken the bar ends off. The bar ends aren't standard. They were Marin ones, but they are unfortunately an add-on. An add-on that I'm not 100% keen on, to be fair, so I have taken them off. I may put them back on when it comes to selling the bike, I don't know yet. But yeah, super chuffed with that, super chuffed. Still got all the warning stickers on. Over the moon, over the moon. Anyway, with that, I'm going to leave you guys to it. I'm going to say thank you very much for everybody that checks out my videos. It means a lot to think there's people out there that actually want to watch what I'm up to. So yeah, happy days. Anyway, with that, catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers.